Understanding Academic Honors, a guide to excellence in education. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important and exciting topic, academic honors. This term is often used in educational contexts, and understanding it can be crucial for students, especially those in an English-speaking environment. So, let's dive into what academic honors mean and why they matter. Academic honors are distinctions awarded to students for their exceptional performance in their educational pursuits. These honors are a recognition of a student's hard work, dedication, and outstanding achievements in their studies. They often come in various forms, such as Dean's List, honor rolls, or Latin honors like cum laude, magna cum laude, and summa cum laude. Each of these honors signifies a level of academic excellence and is a matter of pride for students. Academic honors are awarded based on a student's academic performance. Key factors include grade point average, GPA, the rigor of courses taken, and sometimes extracurricular achievements. For instance, to be on the Dean's List, a student typically needs to maintain a GPA above a certain threshold. These honors are not just a reflection of intelligence, but also of hard work, consistency, and commitment to learning. Achieving academic honors has several benefits. Firstly, it enhances a student's resume and is highly regarded by employers and graduate schools. It demonstrates a student's ability to excel in challenging environments. Additionally, it can boost a student's self-esteem and motivation, encouraging them to continue striving for excellence. In some cases, academic honors can also lead to scholarships or other educational opportunities. 1. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments, deadlines, and study schedules. 2. Participate actively. Engage in class discussions and activities. 3. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance from teachers or peers. 4. Focus on time management. Balance your studies with other activities efficiently. 5. Set personal goals. Aim for continuous improvement in your academic journey. We hope this video has been informative in helping you understand the concept of academic honors. Remember, achieving these honors is a blend of dedication, hard work, and a passion for learning. Whether you're a student or a lifelong learner, aiming for academic excellence can open many doors and enrich your educational journey. Keep striving, keep learning, and see you in our next video.